Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language within the KuCoin application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the KuCoin application on your device. And once you open it up, if you haven't logged into your account already, you will see the sign up/login button at the homepage, which you can tap on and proceed forward with your email address and password, or by using your phone number or Telegram account. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, if you wish to change the language for the app, tap on the user ID at the top left corner and then tap on Settings. From the Settings page, you will see the language option at the very top. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you will see the various different languages that are available within the application. Tap on your desired language, and now this will restart the application and it will change all of the interface into the language that you just selected. If you wish to change back into another language at any time, you can go back into your account settings, and from the settings page, you can once again choose your desired language. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your language within the KuCoin application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.